How's it, guys? Look at this beautiful place where we are having a beautiful picnic on a Saturday, and Chef Mize is doing us some beautiful butterflied drumsticks here in Wenderholm Park, 48 kilometers north of Auckland. Beautiful shaded picnic areas, barbecue areas, beautiful bird life. There's estuary behind us, a lot of fishing, canoeing, beach walks, and there's some forest walks as well. So if you haven't been out here, get out here. It is absolutely mind-blowing. I've been doing some photography here early in the mornings of the bird life and the trees. It's just something special to see and to enjoy. So enjoy the video, guys.
Hi, you know me. I came back for a long time, but I'm here to show you the beautiful lunch you are going to prepare for us in a beautiful park with a beautiful spring day. Lots of love. Ciao, ciao. For lunch today is very easy. It's chicken barbecue. You can see is already some cut. I'm going to show how to cut and marinate, and just serve with salad and beautiful with a glass of wine. But that's what I'm going to show you. The first, the left one to show you how the drumsticks takes time to barbecue. It's difficult, and most of the time is raw inside. We cut. I'm going to show you how to cut it. I'll leave the bone, give taste, and better to just like that. Look, easy. Turn a bit, give some sassia for the marinade to go. That's
A butterfly drumstick.
Butterfly drumstick. Then I'm going to show you the marinade. Got here some. Okay, what I normal. If you watch my previous videos, here I have little bit Sauvignon Blanc, olive oil, garlic, 5 drumsticks, 2 garlic cloves, and bay leaves. Then I'm going to add this to the chicken. Salt. That is according to your tastes. You add salt. That's one. Ground pepper. And something
Optional.
Very nice, optional, but it gives a nice flavor because it's got garlic, got Nando's. I don't know Nando's, can be my Nando's. Go to add, because give a little bit color to the chicken, not much. Like this. And we're going to leave this chicken 10 minutes in a marinade to get some taste. Already smells good. And if you do this, you will make sure your barbecue drumsticks, they are cooked.
And not burnt outside.
Not burnt outside. You'll see the nice color. Now you leave here.
Marinate a bit, rest.
About 10 minutes rest. Because now I'm a little bit thirsty. I need wine. And while I drink a little bit wine. And then we going to barbecue. Going to close.
And what a beautiful setting.
And the beautiful is that now you can. Must go down.
butterfly drumsticks and salad in the park.